Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi it's namhla bazala bamzitho. It's about uLerato Nxumalo. Guys, there's someone who posted some guy athi indoda kaLerato Nxumalo. Remember, uLerato Nxumalo has been hiding umyeni wakhe just because of a lot of people. Back then, guys, I've seen a picture I'm posting umyeni wakhe. Back then they were still dating. They were not yet married, guys. And uLerato Nxumalo got a lot of backlashes. People they were saying this guy looks old. Lerato Nxumalo is dating this guy because he's white and he also has a lot of money. Yeah, understand? So I guess that is one of the reasons Lerato decided to supposed to menake. But for me, he didn't look old. And I think about white people, guys, they do look older even if they are younger. Umuntu ona 30 or white look like in her 40s. Yabo, can't you know they are younger, you get. So Lerato Nxumalo, someone posted, I think it's Musakaula who posted a picture saying this is Mr. Smith in the Lerato Nxumalo. They also linked a profile ga Mama Zala Lerato, the account, the Instagram account and Facebook account, and also Ama Sisters guys. Which I felt as if I do not know the reason of you doing that, and maybe that is one of the reasons I didn't post. I didn't blog about this thing, but the main reason is because, guys, this time it's exam times. I'm studying a lot, guys. Ngifunda kakhulu, so angibi nesikhathi sokubona what is trending. And the time I noticed was there's something that is trending. Uthola ukuthi it's late, maybe about 8, and I want to have been talking about it. So, guys, uLerato Nxumalo is coming for everyone. For everyone, bloggers, TikTokers, when YouTubers, Facebook, what, everyone who talked about or who posted a picture of umyeni wakhe uzo is suing those people. And nago cool, she also exposed the amantombazana who went and DM'd or followed guy. I don't understand why will you follow a married man. I do not understand why you will DM a married man. At the end of the day, this guy chose Lerato. So do you think he chose Lerato just because Lerato is black? No, guys. There are a lot of black women around the world. He chose Lerato because he truly loves Lerato and he sees future in Lerato. Noma ungamdm ube muhle kanjani angeke aze akuphendule, noma ungamdm or umfollow angeke aze I do not understand ukuthi nithatha plento yenu yabo. I would understand ngabe benidm some of the family members or some of abangani bakhe thinking ukuthi maybe they are single, or if they are single maybe now uzama iphela i-chance yakho. But DMing a married man, guys, DMing or following a married man, izinto enizenzayo hayi guys, so Lerato is saying he is suing, so she's suing everyone by umyeni wakhe. And it seems like the person that you thought is umyeni kaLerato, it's not umyeni kaLerato, because there's it's a message that Lerato posted on Instagram, and that message is that guy is saying uthola ama-following amaningi, uthola ama-message amaningi because of abantu they associating yena noLerato, and that has a bad impact business like not kuye only but business like. Maybe that is the reason, because the person also asked Lerato ukuthi basizane in dealing with this matter. So guys, I guess the guy you are following, it's not Lerato Nxumalo's husband, it's someone else, you get. So the guy you are following or the guy you are busy texting, actually Lerato Nxumalo's Lerato Nxumalo's husband, but it's someone mhlambe abashare the same name. I'm not saying the guy who Musakaula ampostile, it's not him, but lona nenimfollowayo and lona nenimdimemayo enimharasayo, that is harassment, guys. Enimharasayo lo nimlandela nimbuza into ezinganifuni, akusuye lo wakaLerato, you get. So guys, I don't know how to feel about this situation, but I feel like ama-bloggers, they had nothing to do with this thing. The only person okumele uLerato amsue is the person okhipha isigaca. This is our job, Lerato. You know, as a YouTuber, you are doing this for money. Asiyenzeli inhliziyo embi, asiyenzeli futhi ukudestroya i-future yomunye umuntu, but you are basically and simply doing this for money, guys. And I do not think there's a blogger, and whether it's Facebook or TikTok or YouTube or anyone owenza lo msebenzi ohambile wayidm the husband, I do not think that. But mhlawumbe abantu bamfollowe simply because mangabe wena upostanga something by uyena uyiposted, they just want to scoop, you get. That is all for now, bazali bamzitho. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.